Hi everyone, we are going to make posho with mutton or French beans with mutton, and to begin with we will take about 2 tablespoons of oil. We'll add 1.5 blended onion, 1 tablespoon of ginger paste, 1 tablespoon of garlic paste, and we will saute it till slight pink. I've added a pound of mutton. To the mutton we added a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of paprika, and half a teaspoon of haldi. I've added 3 cups of water, and now I pressure cook on medium heat for 40 minutes. I've checked the goat curry after about 40 minutes and it's almost soft. I blended 1.5 tomatoes and 1 green chili. The tomato paste to the mutton curry, and now I'll check the salt and the tomatoes. I will now add the green beans of posho. 4 cups of green beans or French beans, and I will now add it to 4 cups of French beans. I'll give everything a good mix, and then I'll pressure cook it for 10 minutes on medium. So going to add a teaspoon of garam masala before I pressure cook it. I just opened my pressure cooker after about 15 minutes, and I still have a lot of gravy and I want to dry it up. So I am going to cook on high until much of this water is evaporated and the gravy is much thicker. Now I think a tip would be to use a little less water than usual. I'll add about half teaspoon of jeera powder and about a teaspoon of coriander powder. And so we'll keep stirring until things dry up. Now as you can see, much of the water has dried up, and I will switch it off, because maybe 7 will go through the pressure. Our posho and ghosh are now ready, and you can keep the gravy to your consistency, but we are serving it with roti or paratha, and I am going to keep it on the gravy a little on the thicker side.